nature, the best part of reality. One can get lost in it, don't you think? My name is nature documentist Bennett Johnson.
And my name
Now
is
I'm
Sean.
going to be serenading you with this amazing and extraordinary nature documentary. Life. The wonderful beauty of it tickles my tongue, but death. Do not open, Sean. Observe this weeping red bush and this beetle, this elderberry beetle, and this millipede. You know they have more than 1,000 eggs. They're the serpent of the dirt. They are truly extraordinary animals. That was rancid!
I ate chili last night.
Elusive spider. Wouldn't want that to crawl up your nose. The spider is an agile creature who likes to build webs. They move a lot and lay eggs in an egg sac called Ethiopithia. They love to eat blood. However, the poison dartpede is a crazy creature that is very weird. But the horsefly can kill you. That is what was previously shown. Hope you enjoyed our nature documentary. Sean, don't you want to say anything?
I want to say,
Well,